Hi, I'm Lenny Ladner. Let's talk about transparency in government, something promised to us by Obama. Ha ha ha! Oh man, I probably wrecked the mic on that one. You want some real transparency in government? Let me show you something. Every member of Congress can introduce a bill. Now, if you think these idiots, Waxman and Markey, that's Henry Waxman out of Los Angeles and Edward Markey out of Massachusetts somewhere, if you think they wrote the health care bill, or if you think they wrote cap and trade, carbon tax, I got a bridge to say in Honowald, Tennessee. All right? I got a big bridge to say with a toll gate in Honowald, Tennessee. They didn't write these bills. Somebody wrote that bill. Who wrote it? I don't know. But I got a solution to that problem, which is going to add a lot of transparency into this process. We get a congressman in there with some guts, like me, who also doesn't wear suits and ties, because people that wear suits and ties have a tendency to lie. But people that wear boots and pointed brand jeans, they know what the truth means. Okay, Miranda, you got your plug. Miranda runs Pointer Brand. Anyway, what we do is we get an amendment. And the amendment's very simple. It just says that anybody that had anything to do with this bill has to be listed on the bill. The writers, the researchers, the statisticians, the lobbyists, the lawyers, the clerks, and the typists. Now, it gets better. If anybody involved in this bill is affiliated with a group, I don't care if it's the YMCA, I don't care if it's JPFO, I don't care if it's the NRA, I don't care if it's Sarah Brady's Sierra Club, they've got to list their group affiliation. I think once we get this thing done, people are going to find out that these bills are written by representatives of the United Nations, the Ford, Rockefeller, and Carnegie Foundations, Sierra Club, and basically people that want to destroy this country. So in essence, we need an amendment that basically says that any bill, any and every bill, will list all people that worked on it and their affiliations. I'm Lenny Ladner. I thank you for your time.